Mic check, mic check, mic check. Guys, I wanted to go on here and just talk about something I came up with. I see all these barbers, all that. I don't want to judge, but at the end of the day, the client's always right. If the client's okay with it, then fine, you can do it. But still, I feel like these are the things barbers are doing today, but they need to stop doing it. 5 bad habits a barber makes every day. So yeah, guys, I just wanted to make this video real quick. I just had it in my head. First thing would be when barbers are fading, they create the first guideline and they use a trimmer like this. They go this way and then create a nice sharp line. Guys, the whole point of a fade is not to create sharp lines. You fade going up this way, you create sharp lines going this way. And I don't see the purpose of putting your clipper down this way or your trimmer. You're gonna try to fade out that line anyway, so you're pretty much creating more work for yourself. If you're gonna make a 0 guideline, might as well go up. You're not trying to make a sharp guideline. Going down like this is for sharp lines, and guidelines are not meant to be sharp. So try going up with your trimmers so that you create less work and your fade is easier. The guideline's easier to fade out. I know this is very common, so in my method actually, I don't even create a 0 line at all for my bald fades. If you guys want to learn more on how I fade, check out my other free YouTube videos. Or if you want to check out my full course, I actually have a full course talking about everything you need to know about barbering, from equipment, fading, the technical, clipper of a comb, shape, everything, business, all of that, all in my course. If you want to go check it out, it's in the link in the bio. But yeah, another thing that a lot of barbers do, and I see it in my barbershop as well, the client might not care, but it's just, it doesn't grow out as nice when you do this. When you go, let's say it's a low fade and you see a little dark spot, I don't believe in using thinning shears for the side of the head. Guys, I know the fade looks nicer and all that, but it ruins the shape of the head. Imagine thinning shears on the side. The hair just grows out uneven, and then the fade might be nice, but that's just for the first few days. The shape is more important to the client, but if the client likes it, go ahead and do it. I don't give a fuck. So don't use thinning shears for the side or the fade. Or I don't even use thinning shears as much, barely. For some clients that really request it, I do, but mainly use point cutting. I also go over that in my course, different texturizing techniques, and I do go over it in some of my free YouTube videos, so check those out as well. Another thing the barbers do that I think is a bad habit is creating that line with the shaver. Oh my god, I can't stress this enough, guys. I know the shaver part is actually one of the steps that actually takes the longest. Some people create the line first, shaving all of the bottom, especially for high fades, and then they leave a line. I like to multitask and just fade at the same time as you're actually doing the bottom. I don't like creating the line because that line's super hard to take off. If you tried fading before with a shaver, it's super hard. So try to multitask and maybe blend it out first before you shave up, because once you create that shaver line, I don't know, you're gonna have to just go over that part for so long, and that will take up 15 minutes of your haircut time. So try not to do that. There's technique to fade out with the shaver as well. Check out my YouTube videos to see and find out what those are. Another thing that some barbers are doing, which it's fine again if the client likes it, but creating undercuts. I see this all over Instagram. Like, it seems like they do this for every haircut, but they part it both sides and then they just go ahead and fade up. Everything's undercut. Why is everything undercut? Undercut's not even a style, guys. Maybe it was 10 years ago, but undercuts it's so hard to style. Even if you were a barber and you had an undercut, maybe if you had curls or braids, it would be nice. But if the client's just trying to style it as it is, undercuts are dead. I try to avoid undercuts for all of my clients. I don't know if the client just likes the fade so much that he doesn't even give a fuck about the top. But guys, stop doing undercuts. Learn how to blend the top to the side so they wear it nice and it goes to the hair with the hairstyle. Again, guys, I have tutorials explaining how to blend the top with the sides. Not everything's an undercut. So check out my other YouTube videos again. I feel like I'm just saying I have these in my... You guys get it. Everything I talk about, I can pretty much explain more on. Just check out my YouTube. What else? Oh, another thing that barbers are actually, I say this because it's from personal experience. I was doing this before as well. Guys, it's okay to make your haircuts look good on picture. Barbers, stop posting to impress other barbers. Barbers that are marketing, they're not marketing for other barbers. At the end of the day, you just want the client. The client sees your photo, they book with you. That's it. That's the end goal of you posting on Instagram, posting on everything. So like, stop being scared of other barbers criticizing your work. As long as you think a client will see the picture and you think they'll book with you, post it. Don't be scared of other barbers. The end goal is to get booked up, guys. Can't stress it enough. The clients will pay for your service. They're the ones that's gonna keep you living, paying your bills and all that. So stop posting for other barbers. Post for your own marketing needs. If you need to get booked up, post for the clients. Let's say I do a haircut, I'm not like 100% happy with it. I still post it on my story because I tag him. Let's say he has 500 followers on Instagram, 1,000 followers on Instagram. I post a video on my story, I tag him. I might not be like 100% happy with it, but he reposted on his story. His 500 friends sees it. That's marketing, guys. Don't be scared of what other barbers will say. At the end of the day, it's to get the bread. So I don't know what you guys are doing, man. Change up your mentality on marketing. Who cares if this guy photoshops his fucking haircuts, bro? What is he? He's not trying to impress you. He's trying to impress clients to potentially book with him and get him more money. Who cares if you're judging him? Oh, it's fake haircut. At the end of the day, the guy's getting bread and you're not. Yeah, those are the things that I think some barbers need to stop doing and thinking and not doing. At the end of the day, if the client likes it, what do I have to say about it? If your client likes you doing it, well, would you stop? Yeah, I can't stress this enough. I don't know how many times I said it on this video itself. But yeah, do it if the client has no problem with it. Make sure you always communicate with the client so you know what they like. And if I miss anything, or if you want a part 2, I can still think of 5 other things that I could say in this video, but I don't want it too long. If you want a part 2, or if you want more videos like these, if you want a free 1 hour best tips and tricks and everything, I'm gonna come out with it soon on my website, thebusybarber.com. So make sure you sign up for my email list. Make sure you stay updated. And yeah, let's get busy, boys.